In today's video, I'm going to teach you about using Notion AI. Notion AI is an integrated assistant designed to boost your productivity by managing information within your Notion workspace seamlessly. To start accessing it, look to the left sidebar of your Notion interface. At the top, you'll spot the Notion I button. Go ahead and click on it. This is your gateway to asking questions, performing searches, or creating new content. For today, we're going to explore its capabilities by having it draft a movie watch list in a table format. While Notion AI takes a moment to generate this, let's delve deeper into what makes it a powerful tool. Notion AI's capabilities generally fall into three categories: creation, comprehension, and automation. These capabilities make it an invaluable resource for anyone looking to streamline their workflow. First, let's talk about content creation and writing. Notion AI can serve as your writing partner, helping you draft and refine various types of content. Whether you need to generate first drafts for blog posts, social media updates, creative stories, or even emails and job descriptions, Notion AI has you covered. It's also adept at rewriting and editing, capable of fixing spelling and grammar errors, adjusting the tone of your writing to be more professional or casual, translating content into multiple languages, or adjusting the length to be more concise or detailed, all according to your needs. If you're grappling with ideas, it can also help brainstorm lists, whether it is for ideas, pros and cons, or project names. Even for engineers, Notion AI offers assistance by writing or helping to understand code snippets, which can be a game changer for technical projects. Let's move on to comprehension and analysis. This is where Notion AI really shines in working with the information you already have. It can summarize lengthy documents, research papers, or meeting notes into concise executive summaries. It's brilliant for extracting important information, like action items from meeting transcripts or identifying key insights from customer feedback. Notion AI can also engage in Q&A sessions, finding answers from your workspace pages, or even connected apps like Slack and Google Drive. Need to explain complex terms in your documents? Simply ask the AI for a simplified explanation. Finally, we have the domain of automation and database management, where Notion AI streamlines repetitive tasks and structures data efficiently. AI database properties is particularly useful for autofilling database fields based on page content, which can help in generating summaries, tags, or categories automatically. You can even ask it to set up complex database structures or pages, like a project management database with different views and properties. Let's not forget about the newly introduced AI agents. They take automation to the next level by handling complex, multi-step tasks. Tasks like building databases or keeping content up to date can now be automated with ease. It's also perfect for generating structured meeting notes or transcripts directly from connected tools. That brings us to the end of our walkthrough of Notion AI. I hope this gives you an insightful look into how it can enhance your productivity and make your workflow much more efficient.